This adorable home with countless updates has a lot to offer. First, the central location of this home affords easy access to downtown, Huntington University, and the Northside shops and dining. Inside this tastefully decorated 1.5-story charmer, you'll find numerous improvements everywhere you look. The main floor boasts gorgeous solid surface floorings, fresh paint, and natural light in abundance. The brick fireplace is truly a centerpiece and will be the perfect cozy spot to spend your cool evenings. The rooms on the main level could serve multiple purposes to suit your needs, and they're all open, providing a great amount of space. The breathtaking kitchen will make meal prep something you look forward to with beautiful white cabinets, marbled countertops, stainless steel appliances, and unique exposed ceiling beams. The eat-in dining area provides access to the patio where you can enjoy your breakfast on sunny mornings and sip your coffee in the fresh air. On the upper level, all the bedrooms provide a comfortable amount of space and is ready for you to make your own. This amazing home has too many improvements to name, so come and see them for yourself. Don't miss out. Call Kim Hainline Patmore to learn more.